morning from Eloy. In true English fashion, we're late this morning.
We're always late.
We're always late. But what do you get to do this morning?
I'm gonna go fall from the sky.
Woohoo! Okay, so Matt's gonna run and the rest of us are gonna hook up the motorhome because they have full hookups here, which we desperately needed because we've been dry camping for the last couple of days. So Matt's gonna run because true English fashion, we're late. And he's supposed to be there 20 minutes before his call time, and that's at 9, so it's like 8:45. So after a nice, lovely bout of the stomach flu dry camping, that was fun. And we'll hopefully watch him fall from the sky.
So I had an absolutely incredible morning. I went skydiving twice and it was amazing. Ashley, I've been begging Ashley to do it for, I don't know, almost 20 years, I guess. She surprised me with going skydiving. Went 2 times. I came down the first time and they met me in the landing zone and I was like, it's awesome. And I was like, can I do it again? And she was like, do it again. I hopped right back in the harness and right back in the airplane and went back up and did another one. I went with Wes, was my Skydive Tandem guy, my instructor, I guess. And it was awesome. Wes is the man. We had a great time. So here we are. We're actually camping right here. You can see the mohos right here. We're camping at Skydive Arizona, which they have full hookups. It's I think it was $19.50 for the day. It is is so awesome. You camp here, you park your motorhome. There's a bar and grill cantina type thing on the other side of the thing. There's a little general store. It's basically just a merchandise shop, and then you can go skydiving. If you're a skydiver, it's $26 a skydive. A new guy, then it costs you a little more, but yeah, I mean, the place is amazing. They do have indoor skydiving in the vertical wind tunnel. We might see if we can get the kids in there. So you're 3 years old and up, you can do the vertical wind tunnel. So this is a drop zone. There's a drop zone behind me here. And then there's also a drop zone over here. It is so awesome.